Quartz versus tile versus marble flooring, best floor option for your home. Dear friends, choosing the right flooring is one of the most important decisions for your home. Among the most popular options today are quartz flooring, tiles, and marble. Each material has its own look, performance, and maintenance needs, so let's understand which one suits your house best. Quartz flooring is known for its modern appearance and high durability. It is engineered using natural quartz and resins, making it extremely strong and resistant to stains and scratches. Quartz floors require very low maintenance and are ideal for homes that want a sleek, uniform finish. Tiles are the most versatile and budget-friendly flooring option. They come in endless designs, colors, and sizes, including finishes that imitate marble or wood. Tiles are water-resistant, easy to clean, and suitable for almost every area of the house, including kitchens and bathrooms. Marble flooring is a symbol of luxury and elegance. It offers a natural, timeless beauty that enhances the value of your home. However, marble is porous and requires regular polishing and sealing to maintain its shine. It is best suited for low-traffic areas or homes that prioritize aesthetics. In conclusion, quartz is perfect for low-maintenance modern homes, tiles are practical and economical for daily use, and marble is ideal if you want a premium, classic look. The best flooring choice depends on your budget, lifestyle, and design preference. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.